everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm making น้ำหวานเผือก Okay, what we have here: sugar, coconut, salt, and tapioca, pearl, and taro root. Okay, that's all we have. Something very easy and simple, and it's gonna be very good dessert. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm gonna go do the coconut first, okay? So I'm gonna do the old-fashioned. A lot of people have question, how did coconut become coconut milk like this? I will show you how. That's how our grandparents do it. I will show you today. Okay, let's start. This is come before the machine, okay, guys? You need to appreciate your grandparent and your parent. You know, now we have like canned food that they already prepare for you, but that's what they have to feed us, okay? So you make sure you think back and appreciate them. I do like 2 coconut. I'm like, cannot catch my breath. Let's continue. Whew, mười. Work out. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Mom, you can do it. Take a look. It's nice color, huh? Okay, and then you wanna use the clean white towel. Okay, ผ้าขาวบางเนาะเอามาใส่นี้ you're gonna have this, the bowl, and the ผ้าขาวบาง like that, or you know, like old-fashioned way, they don't use this sheet. They just go with their hand like that. Do like that. I mean, you can do that too, okay? But I prefer to do this nice and easy for me because I'm gonna go only 1 round, okay? Only 1 time. Rinse my hand with the glove real good. Nothing in here, so I'm gonna kind of like go ahead and use the towel. Grab like this. Get the milk out. Get the coconut milk. Hom. Smell good, guys. See how easy it is? Nice. Keep twist them. Perfect. And this right here, you can put away or put in your garden if you want to. already coconut milk, sugar, and tapioca pearl, okay, and salt. Everything already. So you have to clean it first, okay. Pour it in a net like this. Get into the water and rinse it. You see all that stuff that you don't need is all out. Then I have a hot water ready here. Nice and hot. I put salt first. Coconut milk. There's 5 minutes. Okay, nice and soft. Okay, what I do, I like to get like a little bit, texture a little bit. Just put it up a little bit to make it more creamy. Okay, so มาเนี่ยเอามาปี้มันหลังจากเผือกแล้วสุกแล้วเนาะมันจังหอมเผ็ดแห้งน้ำตาลเจ้าหอมมันนี่ก็เอาน้ำตาลลงเนาะจงไว้หน่อยนึงซะก่อนบางเทื่อมันอาจจะหวานเกินไป we can add some more sugar but you cannot take it off so go easy on that okay every dessert you make you always can add more okay ได้เลยเนาะหอมน่าวเห็นบ่ใสงามงามบอกแบบนี้เห็นบ่เป็นว่าอันแล้วเห็นบ่น้ำหวานเผือกบ่ยากเลยง่ายๆแบบกินหอมหวานมัน Turn off the heat remove from the heat right away okay you don't want to cook any more longer so remove your pot from the heat and let it set. Still a little too hot. Just wait a little bit to cool down and you're ready to serve. Maybe about 5 more minutes, okay? บัดงามของพวกเจ้า Look at that. Is that good? หอมหวานมัน Now I'm gonna taste, see if they're sweet enough for me. Remember I saved my sugar. หอมหวานมันแต่ว่าเรื่องหวานเขาต้องเทสเบิ่งก่อนโอเคอยากเพิ่ม if you wanna add more sugar you can go ahead add it in anything you want to but this is taste เป่าดีๆเดี๋ยวลวกปากโอเคยังบ่หวานปานใดบัดนี้go ahead add some more sugar even you remove from the heat you still can add sugar no problem Wow แซ่บอีหลีHeyน้ำหวานแล้วน้ำหวานเผือกแล้วมาซีมมากินน้ำกันเด้อแต่ว่า you know when you กินน้ำหวาน this dessert don't go too fast I know I eat pretty fast but I have to take time you see how smoke come out it's really hot เป่าซะก่อนแซ่บเบิ่งดูพวกเจ้าแบบโมดบ้านเฮาบ่เห็นบ่เหนียวเนึบเห็นบ่มันเหนียวมะพร้าวหอมเห็นบ่ควรขึ้นทวนแต่อากาศมื้อนี้เย็น perfect เนาะฮ้อนเผาแซ่บลองเฮ็ดเบิ่งเด้อบ่ยาก It's so easy แซ่บYou know, it's easy. The hard part is to make the coconut milk or coconut cream. That's a hard part. แซ่บหลาย Okay. I see you guys next time. Okay. มื้อนี้ลาก่อน Bye bye. ลาก่อน